You could be losing potential out of your new M1 Mac. Learn a range of tips including the basic layout of my computer all the way to hidden features you may have missed. A special shout out goes to Adolfo Mondigo for being the first person to tell me if they were more excited about the Apple Pencil 3 or the iPad Pro Mini. If you would like the chance to be featured in my next video, then all you have to do is tell me if you have purchased or are going to purchase any M1 Mac. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel where I give you all the information about Apple products you would ever want to know. If you are interested in this type of content, then consider subscribing and leaving a like. When I created the layout of my computer, I set it up with a few pretty cool features and you can use them as well. So the first thing you can do is that if you speak a different language, then you can change the language of your device. You should have changed the language of your device when you first open it up, but if you did not, then this is how you do it. So if you go into your settings and then type in language, click that. You can click the plus mark right down here and then you have all the languages to choose from. But if you do not want to search for it by hand, then all you have to do is just type it in this search bar right up here. So if I wanted to find Spanish, type in Spanish, which is also Espanol, then you have all these different options to choose from. Now really for the first thing you can do on your computer is find a background for it. You have three options to choose from. You can look it up on the internet, you can create one, or you can find one in their stock backgrounds that Apple provides for you. So what I decided to do was just use one that Apple gave for me, which all you have to do is go over here to desktop and screensaver, and you have all these really cool backgrounds to choose from. Or you could just choose whatever color that you would like, or you could choose custom color if you do not find a color that you would like. Now I found one that I really like, and it's called the reflection green, and that's the one I'm using personally on my desktop. On the other hand, if you wanted to create one, then all you have to do is go to Safari. I love using this website called Canva. I use it every single day, and I couldn't be happier with using anything else. This video is not sponsored by Canva. Canva is a free website that offers so much potential in any graphic designing that you want to do. Canva offers a free wide range of graphics for the customer to use. I personally love using all of these graphics and I find it really easy to use. Now Canva has two options for the customer. You can use the free version, which I personally use, and they also have a paid version, which is only a little bit of money each month. So if you want to start creating with Canva, then go up here to create a design, scroll down to desktop wallpaper, which is a 1920 by 1080p pixels. Now I'm actually thinking about creating a video about Canva and how I use it to create all of my graphics for my YouTube videos, but to keep it quick and simple, this is how you do it. Canva offers free templates for all of their users and they are super cool. You can also type in whatever you would like. So if you wanted to look up technology, they have this really cool one that you can drag in. Now, if you don't really like the design of this one, then you can edit whatever you would like. So I could change this text to name and lights. Now it looks like this graphic is a paid graphic, which I can delete it and then go over here to the elements tab and I can choose whatever element I would like. So if I wanted an Apple logo on my desktop, I can drag and drop this one in and I can center it up a little bit, change the color, change this color to an orange. You have these super cool bars that will show up to help center and adjust things really quickly. But a really quick tip, if you don't want these bars, all you have to do is click the command button and they will go away and you can just move them freely. So if you wanted to add in whatever image you would like, then you can go down here to uploads and then you can just click upload media and then upload whatever image you would like. And then I can change the transparency. So I can just click download. I prefer to use PNG and it's the best quality. I can go back to my system preferences, go to desktop and screensaver, plus go to downloads, find my image. There we go. Second, you can change the look of your folders on your computer. I don't personally change the look of my folders, but I do know that a lot of people do this and they really love it. So what you have to do is go to your Safari application, look up computer, folder, PNG. I actually really like this one. And that's great. You can see that it is a PNG because it started out looking like a white background, and then if you click on it and this checkerboard pattern shows up. Double click, save image as, and then folder Apple, I guess. Sure. All right, once your image is downloaded, you can create a folder. You go over here to the image that you want to download, double click and click copy, and then go over here to the Get Info section, click the folder icon, and then Command V. This will make your folders look super cool. I used to do this on my computer, but instead I just don't have the time anymore. And since it does take a lot of time, I just leave the folders looking how they came originally. And lastly, you can change what is on your dock on your computer, and as well as the dashboard. So this is how you do it. This is your dock at the bottom of your screen. You can choose whatever you want on this. So if I click and drag, this will move the icon around on my dock. But if I wanted to change what is on my dashboard, all I have to do is go to the dashboard, which is the 6 squares on the top of your keyboard. You can see that I have all these different apps, but they aren't really organized. I really want to add these into one folder, so I can just click and drag on top of each other and do this to every single one of them. Sometimes it's a little fidgety, but you will get the hang of it. Click into it, then you can click the Untitled button and then go up here to Untitled, and then you can name it whatever you want. So if I moved an application into my dock from the dashboard, and then it will show up right here. But if I do not want it, then all I have to do is click and drag away from the dock until it shows remove. This can make your computer very organized, and I do this all the time. Did you know that you can change the sound effect of different haptics on your device? This is how you do it. Go to your settings, go to sound, go to sound effects, and then you're gonna have all these different cool sound effects to choose from. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this in a separate video, but I decided to add it again because I really enjoy these sounds. So if you hate always having to go to the same website every single time that you open Safari and it is just not open for you, well, this is how you fix it. You go to your Safari, and then if you search up a page, so if you wanted to go to Google, and right here is the tab that Google is a part of. You can press and hold that and then drag over here until it becomes smaller. This is how you create a permanent page on Safari. But the also really cool thing about this feature is that if I go to a different Safari browser, that same browser is also going to be there as well. So let's look up something. There you go. There's actually my YouTube channel. But if I go back to that same page, on this browser, it also shows exactly what I was looking at on the other browser. And finally, I don't think I could have done this video without saying that you should try SideCar. Most definitely, after watching this video, click right up here to watch my video all about SideCar. But right now, I'm just gonna show you how you can quickly set up SideCar if you do not know how to use it. Go to your settings, click on SideCar, and then you are gonna have Connect to. Select that device, and then you are gonna have your own iPad. You click that, and your iPad will be connected. This is how you connect it on your device while also keeping it not a repeat of my other video. Make sure you go up here and watch that video next. For every single person out there, it will be different in how you set up your device. But I gave you some initial tips and tricks that you can use if you do not like them. And if you don't like them, you can always tweak them to make them your own. If you found this video helpful and want to see more, then consider subscribing and leaving a like. That is greatly appreciated. Click right here to watch another video inside of this playlist, and click right here to watch my video all about SideCar. And have you subscribed yet? Then click right here and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos that I create. Thanks for stopping in.